Here we come to the elevator at 15999 City Walk in Schindler, Texas. This is a take on the Schindler 338 elevator. I have not filmed this thing in such a very long time. I filmed this thing back in 2012. So it's been officially 10 years now. So we're doing an updated take on this right now. So let's ride, here we go. It's a Schindler HT. 2. Oh, re-level. Let's listen to the motor. One. I'll go for one more ride on this. Get a much better listen to it. Cab is the exact same, like always. I think I also filmed this in 2013 as well. I think. I don't remember though. Just got a good sample of that chime as well, even though it is quiet. All right, there it goes, and that's it.